How's it going, guys? Today I am doing an extraction. You can join me a little bit late, but sometimes old stock needs to get replaced. What looked good a couple of years ago doesn't look so good now, and these days there's so many more funky new genetics going on the land that there's no need to put up with those old genetics. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting in this, which is a hybrid from Mist Plant, I believe. This is Shan Blue, Trines Trichocereus patronoi monstrosus, and infinitely sexier than that big spiky Peruvian that just came out of there. This bed here is actually called VIPs, which stands for very important plants, and that one's been bothering me for a little while because it's just not been special enough. Sorry bro, but yeah, out with the old and in with the new. So you can see the hole that I've just made there. And I'm just going to drop this in right now, and hopefully it'll fit that hole. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks good. So what I'm going to go and do is get a bit of organic fertilizer to tuck down in with, and then close up the hole in a minute now. So, that looks a little bit too deep in that hole, so we'll fill it up with a bit more soil. I guess at some point I'll make a separate video about how I make these beds, because it's quite a specific build process that goes into these. So you can see probably the plastic membrane that I'm messing around with here, and I put those in to help to reduce the amount of weeding that needs doing. So it reduces the amount of maintenance that you have to do on them, because otherwise you have to be in there every 5 minutes weeding them. And that can get a little tiresome. So just close up the membrane around there now. Oh, and that's looking much better, in my opinion. So here's the one that came out of there. That's a particularly spiky type of Peruvianus. It's not a bad looking plant, but it's just not the direction I'm going in these days. But we'll probably find somewhere else to put it in the garden. Some new home for it. Now I do this just to seal the plastic back down. And this basically stops the weeds growing back through. But also, as the cactus get bigger in the future, this allows them to expand and keeps the weeds out. Smells very bad. And then it's just a case of replacing the gravel. There we go, and nobody would ever know. Okay, thanks for watching everybody. Tune in next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.